Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In front of you, I wanna make something simple game scratch. First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Tiga Alfatul Tiwa. I'm from Aidin boarding school. Now I stay in 8B class. Okay, I will make the simple. I will make the simple car game. First, you just the spread again. Spread first. Search car. Choose anything you want, and automatically your cars in over here. Click backdrop, make a rectangle, drag up to here, here and here. Okay, make double. Okay, first and then finish the stroke. Make this again. Another. Sorry. Okay, make again with another color. I choose red, probably red. Okay, drag up to here, here. Okay, if you want to make something big, something big, something big stage, click here, drag, make it full of, make it full, make it full. Okay, drag red up to the center. Done. Click the code. Click the car. I'll follow my code. First, go to the event. Drag this. When start click, control. I'm sorry. Motion. Okay. For make it like not normal stage. Backdrop. Backdrop. Uh, this. Click this. Copy and paste. Okay. Make this small. Make this size small. Put on here. Make it long. Done. And copy paste. Make follow me. Put on here. Click. Change the color. Green. Done. Okay. Click code. Click the car. Motion. Click motion. Drag the car up to here. Go to X. You can put this means 50 up to min 50 139 139. Okay, done in here. Make the code. Follow my code. Break forever. If then is for the basic. Okay, go to sensing. Key space. Put in the if then. Done. Make it up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow. Done. Now go to event. Go to event. I'm sorry. Go to machine. If then up arrow click it. Change. Change x by 10. Let's start. Oh, I'm sorry. X is horizontal. Y is vertical. Okay. Now up arrow. Up arrow is this, not up arrow. Is change here by. Change here by. Change x by. Change x by. Follow my code. This is min 10. This is min 10. Now start. Now done. For make, okay, done like this. I will make like just like this. Okay, now like this. Now, now if the car touching this. Okay, we make some hard stage. Follow me. Click the line, outline. Click this. Done. Make make the stroke is big. Follow me. Do like this. Drag, drag, and drop. Put, drag. Okay, done. Now the cut. Click the car. Now the another cut. Now make a new another cut. Control if. Make a double if. The key is touching. I'm sorry. Touching color. I mean touching color. Click this and this red. Touching color. Control. Stop all. Make it stop. The stop is what I mean. The stop is loose. You lose. Now the color. If touching this color, green color, make a new backdrop. Backdrop is like this paint. Fill this. The stroke is 0. Fill this. Okay. Put the text. Change just this. Change the what is this? The kind of the text. I choose marker. You win and change the color. Done. Make it big. Okay, done. Now you can try the game. Oh, I'm sorry. I missed one code. Click this. Go to app. If start when start, switch backdrop to backdrop 1. You click, switch backdrop to backdrop 2. Now try your games. Is something little hard, some hard. Okay, aimless is probably is the car is touching the green. It will be like this. Okay, done. You win, and you can win the game. Okay, that's all for me. Apologize if something that I say wrong. Thank you. Thank you for watching up to here, and see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.